Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to a wine tasting event. I thought it would be so fun to bring you guys with me and enjoying the whole event with me. Let's get started. I'm going to get a cup of coffee before I go to the event. I need coffee, guys. Every single day I need coffee. Thanks.
Thank you. Have a good day.
So refreshing. They have live music over there. It's so cool. So fun, and they have kids all over the place. It's such a nice little area. Cotton candy.
Yes, and I don't know how to take this out anymore. See this.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Look after you.
So this is a cotton candy wine.
Candy on the label too.
Okay.
Picture of candy. Sweet candy.
Let me taste it if it's sweet. It is pretty sweet. Let me see.
Very sweet.
It's not extremely sweet, but it's pretty sweet.
It's very like it. Not every year it's going to be a good year. Yeah, it takes several years for the soil to get ready for
No. Like, look at North Carolina. It's taking them for.
This is the wine I just had. This is actually produced in this place. Madeloni Cellars.
They're very old. Extremely. Like.
Hi guys, here's the guacamole dip. Let's try it. Tortilla chips. The fresh guacamole on a tortilla chip.
Cheers. The dip is missing.
So fresh.
And the avocado, tomatoes, and onions, cilantro, fresh made, Mexican dip. Very good though.
And rosé. Let me taste it.
How you do that with fruit?
It's very smooth. It's not very sweet. It has like a flower, the aftertaste of it. I didn't do wine tasting here because my friend said the wine tasting, the wine there is really sweet. It's not really worth it to like try spend tons of money on it. So we just got a couple bottles of good wine. I relaxed a lot. Did you guys see the trail and tree house? It's just so pretty and nice. Hi guys, I just got back home. That was a really fun event today. I enjoyed my day so well today. I feel really grateful. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye bye.